Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and our last car, number 7. We have 7 cars. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, and purple. Now that we have our cars sorted, let's put them in garages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 garages that go way up high. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. 1 car for each garage. Let's figure out where each car goes. Here's the number 1. Where does the number 1 car go? Right here, in the 1 garage. How about the number 2? Do you know where the number 2 goes? Let's see. All the way up here into the number 2 garage. Next we have number 3. Where does the number 3 go? Let's see. Right here. Now it's the number 4's turn. Where do you think the number 4 goes? I'll bet it goes right up here in the number 4 garage. The next 3 garages are way up high, so we have to look up. Here's the number 5. Where do you think the number 5 goes? Right up here. Next we have the number 6. Where do you think the number 6 goes? Did you say here? Good job. That's where the number 6 goes. Our last car is the number 7. The number 7 goes, whoa, way up high, in the number 7 garage. Alright guys, let's see if Genevieve would like to play.
This is the number 1. Okay, put it right in number 1. Put a car like this.
Good job.
Make it number 3. Okay, down here. Down big on together.
What's next?
How about 4?
The number 4?
Yes. They're real tall.
Oh, it goes inside.
Okay, number 4 about this.
There you go. Number's that?
5. Good. Then put the numbers and up here. Okay, real cool. Put a car like this.
Yeah? Cool. What is that?
Alright, it's number 6. And real tall too.
My paw.
Roses.
Good job.
It's a real tall.
I know, it's really tall. Alright, what number is that?
And 7 real up high. 7, 14. Oh no, they turned around.
Oh no, they're turned around.
It didn't want this side. Is it here? It's right. It's number 6. Put it here. Great job. About number 7.
Yeah, number 7?
It's number 7.
Good job.
About number 5. Number 5.
Good job.
Oh, it's number 4.
I see it.
It's number 3.
Good job. What's next? What's in this one?
1, 2.
Good job.
It's number 2.
All right. What's in that one?
1. It's number 1.
Good job.
Look, it getting filled out.
Oh no. Oh no, number 1. Oh, they all fell down.
So, bye. See you.
Bye. See you later.
Yummy cookies. Thank you, Evie. So yummy.
What do you have? It's Cookie Monster's numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You want to open it?
Open it.
Let's open it.
Wow.
Oh, it's got cookies too. Let's take the numbers out and the cookies. All right. What number goes there?
1.
1? Where's the 1? Good job. All right, what number's next?
2.
2. Where's the 2? Good job. You got 1, 2. Now what number?
3.
Where's the 3? There it is. Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That's right. This is 10 spaces for all the cookies. What number's next?
4.
Good job. Need help? I'll push it in. There it is. What number comes after 4?
5.
Where's the 5? There you go. Good job. Now what number?
6.
Good job, sweetheart. What number's next?
7.
All right. And then
No. It's 8.
8. Good job. What number is that?
9.
Last number. What number is left?
10.
Good job. You did a good job. You want to count the 10 cookies?
Yeah. 1,
Okay, good.
2, 3,
Good job. Whoops.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Last one. How many cookies is that?
10.
10 cookies. Should we get Cookie Monster to come eat them?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all these cookies. Can I try a cookie?
That is yellow.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. That's so good. Can I have 2 cookies?
There's 1, 2.
Yum, 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 yum. So good. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy cookies. Thank you, Evie. So yummy. Evie, how about you try a cookie? Yum, 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 yum.
And red.
It looks good. Oh, yum, yum, yum. You're so silly. Evie, so silly eating the cookies.
Let's learn how to count and our colors with this cool car counting parking deck. It has 10 different cars to count and each one's a different color. Can you help me count the cars? The first car, number 1, is going to be brown. Let's find the brown car. Here's the brown car right here. Let's slide it through the top. And it's car number 1. Let's shut this gate so it doesn't fall out. Alright, number 2 is red. We need to find the red car. Here's the red car right here. Vroom, 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 vroom. It goes right here like the other one. Slide it down. 1 car plus another car is 2 cars. 1, 2. Our next car is number 3 and it's orange. The orange car, here it is, goes on top. Down the parking deck. Alright, 1, 2, 3 cars. What number's next? Number 4. And number 4 is yellow. Alright, here's the yellow car right here. This one looks fat. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. 2 cars plus 2 cars equals 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Alright, the next car is going to be green. But look, there's 2 different greens. Here's a green car. And here's another green car. Well, this one is light green. So let's find the light green car. That's this one here. Let's put the light green car in the number 5 spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Now we can find the other green car. See, this one's darker, like this. So it's the number 6 car. Way to go, guys! We've got 4 cars left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do the number 7 and then the number 8. The number 7 is light blue. So this is the light blue car right here. Let's put this one in the number 7 spot. Now, for the other blue car, the number 8. It's right here. Vroom, vroom, vroom. It goes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cars. We need 2 more to get our 10 cars. Alright, number 9 is purple. Here we go. Here's the purple car. Right on top there. Alright, we have 1 car left. Can you tell me what color it's going to be? It's going to be pink, just like this one right here. Let's put this on top. Now we have all 10 cars. Do you guys remember what colors the cars are? We have brown, red, orange, yellow, light green, green, light blue, blue, purple, and pink. This is such a fun toy. Let's get Genevieve to play too.
4.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this is Peter. Here you go. Now it's better. Look. 4. 5. Oh no, we're falling. 7. 8. And last one is number 10. 10.
Good job.
The foot is wide. Does it play wide?
Yeah, that says level.
It's level.
Good job.
Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you tell me the colors of the cards?
Alright. Brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink.
One,
난 소방차. 불 끄는 일은 나한테 맡기라고.
2,
나는 불도저.
3,
구급차. 아픈 사람을 태우고 병원으로 띵띵.
4,
컴퓨터.
5,
난 견인차야.
6,
나는 화물차.
7,
경찰차. 우리 동네 안전지킴이 출동.
8,
난 레니콘.
9,
난 택시. 손님을 빠르고 안전하게 고고.
10.
난 턱레이냐.
Push the red star.
나는 가리야.
Turn the yellow knob.
나는 락이라고 해.
Flip the green switch.
슈퍼버스 록입니다.
Roll the blue dial.
자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
Red,
나는 가리야.
yellow, green, blue,
나는 람이라고 해. 자유랑 숨바꼭질하자.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Red,
나는 가리야.
yellow,
람이라고 해.
green, blue,
달려.
This lion, elephant. What's that?
It's a rabbit.
Rabbit, cat, and duck.
Good job.
Circle, triangle, square, heart, and star. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, check it out. We have 2 peg pounding benches. We have a big one and a small one. Let's play with the small one first. Let's count how many pegs it has. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it comes with a cool little hammer. Watch. Whoa! Let's put them back where they belong. What color is this? Yellow. So where should the yellow peg go? It should go here. The yellow mark. How about this color? It's green. Let's see. Let's put the green one right there. We have 2 more left. We have the red one. Where does the red one go? Right there. That's right. And last one is the blue one. And the blue one goes right there. Yay, we put all the colors back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh, and the yellow one got stuck. There it goes. Alright, let's check out the big pounding table. Wow, this one has a lot more pegs. I'll need help counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one has 8 pegs. The small one only had 4. Let's see what happens when we give them a tap. Whoa! When you hit the ones in front, the one in the back pops up. That's cool. Blue, orange, yellow, light blue, pink, red, purple, and green.
Green, yellow, blue, red,
What color is that?
blue,
Can you hit the blue one? What color is that?
orange,
Can you hit the orange one? Can you hit the yellow one?
Did you do it?
Did I do it?
Oh no, 2 ones is gone now.
2 of them are gone now? There you go. See that? It came up. There you go.
There you go. Now we're up here.
Now we're up here. That's right. You want a surprise?
It's
What is that?
shocking.
Shopkins in there.
I'll open these shotguns. What's that? Shotgun. Look it. It's cool. Make it.
Oh, look. What is that?
Oh, it's a shotgun.
Really cute. Let me see.
This is yellow.
It's yellow.
Let's see. Okay, another shotgun. Open it.
Alright, here's the other one that was in there.
Oh no, it's shotgun. Look at the scissors.
You need scissors? Okay. Here we go.
What's that?
What is that?
Oh, it's so cute. Make it so cute.
Let me see. what'd you get?
Oh, it's a shotgun.
Oh, look. It's a little nail polish one.
Shotgun, so cute. It's cool. It's a pink one.
Oh! Oh, it fell down. That was fun, huh?
It's a bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you later.
See you later.
Thank you with the shotguns.
You're welcome for the Shopkins.